I was saying in every organization, in every society, there are few miscreants. On my way, I work Ghana. They are very hard-working youth. They are very hard-working youth. My bet, these are just few people and upon, I'm surprised you are generalizing it. As if say Ghanaian youth are that lazy. Say, and yet United Nations standard now, Kaya youth. And I'm a boy. Say, all of us, who cry the soul champion because you are in your 50s.
That's right.
We are in our 40s. And saying you look, all the major sectors of this economy. And I'm a boy. I'm everywhere. To the extent, say, a full cry, a crowd, a baboon, Trog I actually, a baboon, Adia pub, a baboon. All the designers are more a pama dear young. I don't know young people. Chicken man, mobile, or baby. They are all young men. They are all young men.
A1 bread.
A1 bread. People are struggling to make it for themselves. University or any branch of one or any Mabunu Guano. Kianwes to qua. Students are more over 40,000.
80-something thousand.
Is that well? They are running to 100,000 thousands.
I think 81.
Go to Winneba. Go to Hifa and see what is all they say. Emabunu, lazy now the idea.
He's not general. Say
no, he's generalizing everything. But what I am saying is that these are few ones. Say where the equity. Omo, wayward now wokano. Omo, esi omodachi ekwemuno. They are more than them. Now, university, I Ghana in our private university. Nita Sharina, Nessie trainer, Ukanina Bomwa. You will be running into millions of youth. Aramebwa.
Yeah.
So, what is this thing? Now, I say, Akrabi one university now, my better. What is it? No, what is it? Or my better? What do we in the dear body Benoy? Or university? No, down or Liverpool, Chelsea. Now, what she said, we bear we bear with you. We are not the bomb not bring him on the scar. So no crowd to me that any whole school. Now, 190 brow brain, who brow brain 93 meduma bar a hand. Oh, Bab Ubermoba, a breast our brain be. Brow brow, Uba, we are so brain, Ubermo Baby Bribby. As a man, okay.
Me Baba Bribby, Tina, me sacrifice him.
Tis and no, my bet in Albano. Your person, my bet in you. Who's on my bed be oil?
Maybe.
Not my bet in you.
Not betting you.
But if I get already, I can see any cocoa baby to
I said, no.
Not one baby. But I'm a bet
no, Bino.
If you are buying an idea. So they look at what.
So you got subscribed to our buying it, taxing them.
Yeah.
Betting.
Oh, I look at the lazy approach. I go over to my bite and 10 we are more air or room away. And lazy approach. We in the tax in the day. Look. You see, you promise the people of Ghana, say, you are moving from production, from taxation to production. Now, they say, I can't, what to do when you say, who say part of cry taxi. Who lawyer new tea, what to do when you so who say tax cry, say taxi part. Who's a mere chamuka? Who's a bar, Domama, their condom there? No, come once. Ever do a coup for the taxi there? Who's a wound him?
Oh, minimum,
only more on Unyamia. I wouldn't win Yamia. Wouldn't say my part, only say a two. Yeah, I'm Mark where we're gonna hang now. I demonstration, I call parliament, I call presenting petition
to Abambabe. To
Abababu, who upon him we. Who's one, Munacho, some now know
everything.
Wow, Munacho, some now more. I feel as well as a Buakamusim. Look, a bank has responsibility to make sure, say, or my no, or be a Huberton woman. Yeah. And I want I know it is not a responsibility to make sure, say, Nemakoyo Krumu. The Namakas what I say. It is not a responsibility. It is a responsibility of every government to make sure Senema Bekoyi. Out your Oka Rollins Assem and I run here coup and I would now run time. No, that is not all as compared to today. Rollins time the basic commodity sadi ntuma kra na manye bi ya me wa
Yeah.
Electrification any Rollins na di buy wo so na de ade e wo krokitu am and fire na de nya Rollins fought all those things bema atima me yet said ye nim bibia okrom ha Rollins e preso na dollar to sit na esen na ho to okrom ha na de ekoye ya obati ka sa ho to Ghana no people are complaining na say the person who turn wo say we MP who defend the BBT chinchina ne pon ho turn I don't know some bro akufo do papa ti so no I don't know say kura da bro ne ti so no o be ka discipline sem ono ochi wanda na odi or president or from for Professor Doolittle e ka kan sem no ono onim say your man na ejijire ene na kura no ene mo hu no ene obi na obe cha kura nyame o enju tie na se koro me no ejija nipa ho turn no amount for salary entimi nye hwe na say yaka na say o si ahoto ho a eno aka akufo na no mbesi no koto akufo na amu no mbesi no o me pe free ni papa so
They will not go there. They will
yo
It shouldn't happen.
yo
Enya tana akwala ho chenti no umu ade se o mampani ko bodu koto.
Ne papa wa ya gosi agufa
yo ozere
ne papa wa ya gosi agufa koto
na me wanya no musi no koto so mo
no ne papa wa
ya se dipa no gosi agufa koto no ne papa wa.
Enti akufo do so ni papa no si no koto
Ati ade drum gosi ono papa koto. Wa frɛ o.
Anya na gine taxes wow enti masa baby aye was si ano yaw I don't know say bia you are playing the devil's advocate ni mana ekoso okrowe mu it is not the best.
Nobody, I mean the president himself,
you see,
has said that
people are suffering.
Francis,
the soul and the spirit of the nation is suffering.
From that time, it's near man's sign crack. Say, ali stability kakrebia mai.
Stability there.
Ushe October, November, I would say January, February, March. Any August ya wumia. It's near man's
stability ben yaw. I would say what people are suffering was some naeka. There has never been any stability. Stability there. Me who here? So what would there? Me who here? Because presence no. Kwa na ekosro.
Okay.
Nema bua na ekosro. So me bua ka kire me. Abai government statistician na beto. And I cost 43. Na wa wo man mu kasa bebrebe we. Mu wo man we mu na inflation na 40. Na bro kwa 52. 54. And ababa 43. On my a wo beji on my we inflation wo 15% kra. Wo so won't be da. Muso mo te be da opo. And then you mo te ha justify 43% inflation. Me se Kusi Boafo wan. Yaw.
Na me ya na be busam Kusi Boafo ya dey.
Me be awu nyina nya betu awu nyina mo ka Kusi.
Hey! Francis.
Now we inflation. Massa, the me person me catch Kusi Boafo kra no. Enye ni look, you move from churches. Bank of Ghana about 16.8 billion. Kusi Boafo so cash mo kroma. What is the Bank of Ghana about
the issue of number 2?
What can be that?
Francis.
What to punish all of them?
Francis.
Oh, we can't cry our crow. The Republic belongs to all of them.
You are going too far.
I have to go too far out.
With him.
Only but going to that level. I wouldn't do worse than this. Look, why do you want to be hypocrite?
Why not a hypocrite?
I am Kusi Boafo. I'm where you woman. Oh, sorry, I cancel your mama so. I will come up at all. And the Bank of Ghana Boka 16.8 billion. Wouldn't be Bia, won't Kasa, what can I not do? And I would you. Ya come say my anchor. Other. Oh, mine no than a deal. Now so people where you born here, bar when I say bros. Also can't punish you there. You printed yourself say, "Oh no, we are Boafo. Who Kusi Boafo? Who can't crow kruma? Who call sorry who preach and ma who cancer? And now I would say I buy. I don't know who mamma kaku for asem. I don't know who mamma kabi. A queer for a bread. Fertilizer ya di momu. Yeah, and a queer for ya, mukotomu fertilizer. Fertilizer na ya di momu free crowd so ye queer. Okay, queer some. Okay, queer. Ola go for the call Uganda buy. Oba bro to so kruma. Braba kasem. Some Bank of Ghana, una we economics, una we to your finance person, 16.8 billion. Ya boka our mawim. Bank of Ghana, in midst of this crisis, almost see headquarters, $250 million. Yeah, nasa crisis, sina ahuche okruma. Our Bank of Ghana, aboka. Musa go for $250 million. Somebody see a Bank of Ghana for
headquarters.
When nyasa ben pa ne wadi we mu ya. Nyasa ben pa ne wum. Yaka musibui. Ya ka mo si boy Muna mwako Yale, muna mwako Harvard, muna mwako Oxford. Na bon samran, ana mo pe. Common sense, kobadu se mo kra e book, mama munu se kobadu se e se wan ko school kra no. On be the minister of promo, on mo mbu my tan say. Bibia jija yaw. Enti aman koda nyina ye frustrated. Koda nyina ye frustrated. It is not about say one swano umrente brem obeswa no kokra brem. No. It is because your mind air kono yaw. We are on the wrong
93.1 FM.
Mama and the canocra and Ghana for. Tell Ghanaians the true story. And stop wapon and stop distance and Uncle Crawford and right here and at the end. No. Tell your government that the government is not performing. Period.
Thank you. Obo. Babi tell Kakrana afi.
O man.
So
we NDC for any emotions ya o made kasa e ukruma. It looks as if say o mo be ade ukruma da. And even if they had at the time when be the ade na enu Dodovi ewo regional office near there. So at time ye kwa but na BP everything was in order. Yet kroma can ya kra ni nya bi fan so mfa nya adwuma kroma. Under your watch. And now he come say and they say can ya ho abranti bia o peso ye adwuma bia be nya bi dia ye adwuma. Yet kroma mo ka za mo ko to ambulance abre mo ko to yi LT tit on with car bi na tetrete no. And no be nam ko to de bre. And every district is boasting of a kind. Now we can fly even drones, even BEC election a year or more. We fly their papers to them. Etikromha aban we buy millions of youth now come on masem. Aban bia yen hye am be a school free. Aban yen hye dey ato wa motivate ne STEM education, knowing very well say this is the order of the day. Yemfa yensa enya adwuma yenko robotics, yenko artificial intelligence, yenko science, yenko mathematics, yemfa yensa nya adwuma artisans, youth yenko ho. Wa ye ni nyina yen hye ho bibia da so a ekọ nanim. Under your watch, mo ka kire say ye pa adwuma ya youth bia wi a o employment minister so kwose sabo e wo kwan ho a odi go bucket no abehwe egu kwan ho unya one trip anu aton. That was your option for unemployment. Yin ko twitwa sere ye de bra abochi a uwie university anu ko twitwa sere na de abra abochi na abochi aton de amani nwan na no no wanya sika. That was your option. And this what the hunu be na mo de abehu my way here and then mo betina be emotional. This country nobody departs from the fact say now ahokere wo. And ahokere na wo ho no everybody knows very well say enye peculiar to Ghana. It is global ahokere na aba wiase. Wiase name any country you know and tell me say proud to 2019 COVID hit the world no. Said ye na hote na sa na hote ne. On kan kru ba akonkere me say aden na said ye na US tie ne. Nancy haven't we seen Broadway omo enipa egu abonten da abonten US egu abonten a omunya baby na. Haven't we seen that? Eden na ahokere na aba no. You can't subscribe that ahokere to Ghana alone. Yes, Ghana went through this difficult period. Inflation no equal even up to 50s. Now we are in ascendancy. Say we've bent the curve. Yehu yenim. At the time then the GDP was growing around 1.something% to 2%. And now it is 4.8%. So it tells you say then now that the curve is bent, we are going straighter and Yamaha say gradually pick up. And your mother can be kama. It is all better now say obey emotional and now your government is not performing. Since when did you realize I might be performing? At the time no kranketwa ekwa nursing training school or munya scarce typing school no mutwa mu se muntua ne ntua ne kina. The teacher training allowance you cancelled it. Sabre na school fee free SHS in ho. But the bills that comes with free SHS and the infrastructure that comes with it, sabre ne ni ho. And so this government is doing and still paying the nursing teacher training allowance. Abetna ha no me be emotional ha no me kan na Kusi Boafo na nyame betua obika. Nyame tua obika wo kurom ha. E na moda ho tete ho. Say nyame tua ni paka na moda ho tete ho.
Pastor don't go there. Me na make am asem. Me say nyame tua Kusi Boafo ka. This is hypocrite.
But
who are the same?
Francis.
Me how ne say. Say nyame tue ni paka dia. Enka mo nte ase.
Na mo de mo ba shi.
All right. Munja, mo tell me ba. Mami ni Jacka cameras is here. Francis, hold your peace. I am coming. Our Redeemer's Church of Peace International. Quiet, please.
Yo.
Kaina na duabon ko Francis.
Eduabo.
Na obubo dua nyina
Say nipa nka no kre, nipa nsuro nyame.
na nipa nso nyame nti dua na obo na wo ye tani
nipa nsuro nyame ase nyame ntua ne ka na ni nyame no onye ndedi.
Na den.
Nipa nsuro nyame.
Sorry.
Na den mabodi. Me bodu dia.
David Kusi Boafo wo
Boafo.
Kusi jai wadai.
Da be me nya ya o.
Why would they?
Ma to ni so tua wo kro ha. Unless he comes out to speak. And what's what ba?
Dia na be so meka.
Me say economic situation ye wo mu ene yi. Enye. Ni matantan na aban eye. Ene music wia, ene mu dollar e won pass na de enye. He must come out and speak on it.
What am calling him out?
I am calling him. And as a matter of fact, I am declaring war on him in this republic. That I'll go after him. Because look, he single-handedly destroyed John Mahama in this republic.
Really?
In this region. I don't know. I don't can suffer John Mahama. Now what banner a by way and one number. Nyama basa basa. Papa penny to say. Now I'll go after him in this republic. Me one of the I'm telling you. Me people ko piame to research. On free a born a no be kasa. One be church mu che Ghana for. The enti a ho kire e de sikasema ye basa e wo kromwa. The enti a fuel e free your friend example 4 cities. Abedru almost 13 cities. One by beka. The enti a Bank of Ghana aboka 16.8 billion. With that going through the due process. Wow, the entire Abraham penny for Edisika and Shashomon pass. He must come and explain to Ghanaians because what is a cruma or consori and walk room in a cassa a tail Rajo Mahama. Minimum tell your pointing here and walk anymore because as a minimum making. Or the trap radio suit to send the minimum A. And the did your mama tempasa or cruma. And the did your mama tempasa now we are penny. That's why I can't talk Ghana for some. That's what about Mama. No more Banamu yen time. So Rama Hamadia. You must equally come out.
Maybe he doesn't see the Wuhuno.
Oh, who they
in the said say be a woo case de my basano. Or no Hunis.
I was what you have now. Yeah, what you having? And then what's as oh, dear. Oh, who dear there? Oh, who grab him by force? Who grab him by force?
The man is not here. Oh, heavier. That is why.
Me don't cry. Me the more fakomano. From Kachano. Me maun cry out. We are brapping, but me maun cry. Say the way I pay for cry. Who say on Piumra? I born a woman, non Piumra. Never Santana was
being on oil every day.
Every day.
Who said that you are TV so
Oh,
on the TV so
every day. Nyamana I my muna and no one some. And our best of you should come and condemn this government. Say, oh, Rama, I'm on Lucy. Wow. Utio Casabra, wow, Echiha, Abeka TV at some currently. Wow, vocational school, and I go for Nediba, so there's a Davy. I go for Nediba,
Davy. But how much you can now with machines now?
I'm saying that, and Yaku for Nediba. And see, a mamma, why say,
MVT, our home, not carpentry machine, could be all.
May say, a mamma, when you say, wow, when you must say now, Moe and Mukasa baby, and the moment you guasino. Because look, drones who cry by the out. Ghana have got 12 cry, yet the helicopter and lifty materials are called. So only one mechanical helicopter, yet the lifty educational materials, need electro materials, a call such a from place area.
But said drones has made it easy.
I am but now helicopter need drone did any papa.
Do you know the expense? The cost of flying.
I'm saying that.
Chopper.
I'm saying that.
To some place
and missing drones and by. Drones and by.
Helicopter lifting.
Exactly.
Drones has made it easier.
Exactly.
Now say
before there be war.
Yes, ambulance in my. That's ambulance in my. Nobody abobo ya fe nipa. Na so ka. And by stop it. Stop it and abobo ya fe.
The time as
yeah,
but
wow, Mukasa baby no TVET, STEM, we agena 111 ye tudi eno kwa no muni mokro
Edin to onko.
Edin to kwa
na
ye dia so
wa
bofo
na eden a
ye dia so bofo mo a
wonum say hospitals na esi
de bi minim say ekokobu
Abusia fa me ni musia mo.